very good for a young doctor.
When you get the diploma for the doctor, the old police good, huh?
Oh, yes.
Ain't got no poor ones, huh?
Mrs. Warren says all the poor ones should go to the free dispensary.
Mrs. Brown? Oh, yes, the doctor's wife, huh?
Yes.
She takes good care of the doctor, huh?
Oh, yes. She's making him succeed.
Yeah.
You can go in now.
Hello, Lucy. Yeah, you do so good, huh? Yeah, thank you.